What are you doing, Lucy?
Are you swimming? It looks like Lucy's taking a lick bath. Where's Megan? I went all the way to Lucy.
Better watch out, Lucy.
Catch Lucy. Did I do this? Did I do a good one? Yeah, come.
You're getting better and better.
Yeah. Booka, baby.
Oh!
I keep falling down.
That's why they call it a slip and slide, isn't it?
Because it makes you slip. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
There you go. Got down to the end.
That's because I ran
You ran a little bit farther, didn't you?
Yeah, I ran a little.
That's all right.
Whoa. I'm sitting in a pool.
With the dog.
It's a happy birthday to you! Woo! Come on, Crab! Let's go surfing! Wait for